In our country, unfortunately, we, in addressing these social justice issues of racism, race, and all, we start off with what makes us different. We start off way too often with what makes us different, and that is the antithesis of creating a sense of belonging. We got to start off with what makes us the same, what makes us alike, and then when we start to notice or address what makes us different, that's the secret sauce. Like, that's the salsa, you know, that's the flavor that makes our connection powerful. But we like to start off because it gets clicks and it's more sensational and it hits people more viscerally with what makes us different. And why you're less this and I'm more that, or vice versa. But we got to start off with what makes us the same.